Finally, this evening, the South African rand firmed to 17.76 against the dollar on Tuesday, up 0.6% after President Trump extended a potential 30% tariff deadline to August 1st, offering a brief window for renewed trade talks. Now, the currency had slammed earlier after Trump warned of an extra 10% tariff on BRICS-aligned nations. Now, South Africa's key exports, including citrus, minerals and auto parts, remain at risk, along with an estimated 35,000 jobs. On the markets, the JSE and Top 40 edged higher despite weakness in financials, gold and Brent crude. Portfolio manager Kabelo Tsela provides us with more on today's market moves.
Yes, well, a very good evening on this Tuesday. The day is certainly influenced quite heavily by the imposition of trade tariffs, that being 30% by the US. But despite that, markets have actually proceeded to trottle along and etch out a positive gain. At this point, the all-share index having gained as much as 0.36%, led higher by resources up 1.6%. Listed property is down 0.4%. Financials are marginally down 0.17%. But generally, the tone within the market is that of the news is in the price. And I think a lot of market participants, investors, traders, etc., not really surprised at this point. Looking at your currency, one would have expected a huge blowout on the back of this news, but still really strong at this point, currently at 17 Rand 78 against the dollar, 20.85 against the euro, and 24.14 against pound sterling. Some key commodities there. The gold price has pulled back ever so slightly to the $3,326 a fine ounce level. At this point, platinum is trading positive for the day at $1,378 an ounce, and oil having taken a break from $70, it's currently at $69.45. So really, the market's taking this bad news in their stride, and nothing major a surprise on the market.